So, welcome and good evening to all and each one of you present here. I, Road Tractor Sehaj Verma, on behalf of Road Track Club of Outstanding Business Students, in collaboration with Road Track Club of Delhi Femina, would like to welcome you all to the webinar on navigating the unprecedented lifestyle changes. So, the speaker for the evening who have joined us is Ma'am Priyanka Kaur Ma'am. I would request the host to shift to the next slide. So here is a little introduction of Priyanka ma'am herself. She has been a mindset coach since 2016 and has been taking various workshops and creating an ideal work-life balance for many people. She has been taking the guideline. She has been the guideline to page three personalities as well as senior management personalities in the corporate world. She has also been a best-selling author of a book named Blink Before Getting Hacked. So this is a short introduction about herself, further short to define what she does and how she does. So I would now like Priyanka ma'am herself to take over the stage and commence with the webinar. Now I would like to request each one of you to turn your videos on and please stay on mute and use your chat box for the further communication during the webinar. Thank you so much. Over to you, Priyanka ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, Sahaj, for a warm welcome. And first of all, I would like to thank the Rotaract Club and Sahaj Verma and Kopal for inviting me and having me here for this wonderful opportunity to talk to you all people. I am very excited to see all young faces here, and the energy is quite high. I can see everybody smiling amid this COVID right now. So I feel that we can maintain this energy throughout the webinar. And uh, as Sehaj has already told that I am into life and mindset coaching, and I have been helping and trying my best to contribute to the society. I can help them to create a work-life balance. As you all know that when we are in office, or as you have seen with your parents as well, that when they are at work, they are thinking or busy or something is happening in the family and they are worried about that. And when they are at home, they are worried about the work. So how they can best utilize best of both worlds and create a balance between them, that is what I deal with and help people attain a balance in their life. And so not wasting any further time, I think I would just start with today's topic, which I guess is very much in talks right now. And each one of us have been hearing about, listening to, digging deep into the news channels to know more about this pandemic which we are facing right now, which is COVID-19. And the world started to see it since February 2020, and in India we started to experience it from like mid of March, somewhere around Holi. So we started, we all our rain dance plans were haywire because of the COVID-19 thing. I think at least for me in our society, it started with that, like that some COVID is coming and spreading to India also, so no rain dance party this time. So yeah, so it started from there, and definitely we have been, thinking a lot, listening a lot about it. What about lockdown phase 1, phase 2? Like it has become a, Fast and Furious series for us, 1, 2, 3, and now we got till 4, but then suddenly we got a, unlock session started happening, and we are pretty much on our own right now, which has created more panic amongst the, country and people, like how to survive and what all to be done. But what I feel here is definitely that our government gave us a full tutorials for 2 to 3 months how to survive, how to maintain social distancing, how to do everything on our own and remain keep a safe distance from this virus. Nevertheless, we all are trying our best to do that on our end, and trying and helping and educating others also to do that. But what I feel that during this pandemic, everything, we are so much engrossed in, looking at the numbers. I'm sure everyone would know the worldwide numbers, even to the point of what is the current nearest COVID is happening behind, like around you through Arogya Setu app and stuff like that. So definitely everyone is very well abreast with what all COVID-19 has brought with it, in terms of pandemic, in terms of panic, in terms of disease and things like that. But today I'm not going to talk about what you all know already, because that is the subject you all are masters about. And I feel that COVID-19 has not only brought the negative aspect of it, but also it has also spread a positive outlook towards life as well. And it has obviously made us more fit to survive in any of the circumstances. And especially if we talk about India as compared to all the like other globe, like complete globe altogether, I think that we are doing our very best right now. Like people in, Italy, you have seen, Europe, what happened, US, it was like a haywire, it was total chaos. But obviously the numbers are increasing. But if we see the comparative study with different countries, I can always see that we are still on a very, very, very better way. And as it is already indicated that sometime sooner or later everyone would be affected with the virus. But I feel that in India the effect of like fatal effect is not very high. It is like a very minute percentage is deaths are happening, and most of the people are recovering from the virus and are being safe and things like that. So only thing is, what we need to focus right now is the light at the end of the tunnel. We need to focus on the positive aspect which corona has brought with it. We need to focus on our abilities to cope up with the virus, and definitely we need to plan and work around this new normal, what it is exactly. So we all in our lives plan about our life, about our future, and to the minutest details we are good planners now. And a lot of you, I think, are business management students here. So planning is one thing which is going into your brain and veins altogether every day through classes as well. Many are from business class, and the family runs business is there, so management training gets started from very childhood, early childhood as well. So we are very, very good managers in terms of anything we want to manage, be it our lives, be it our schedules, be it our friends, our relationships, anything. And definitely, but corona showed us that no matter how much prepared we are, life has its own course to take over, so corona told us and showed us that no matter how much to the minutest details you have made your arrangements, I'm here to haywire your arrangements and to make you understand that arrangements not always works, and it is like a jungle right now, and it is the survival of the fittest and the quickest. So this is two things which I would like to focus upon. And definitely we need to see the positivity, we need to see the hope, we need to see the light at the end. And we need to understand why it is important and how we can uh, thrive in the new normal, which is, we were all waiting like since March, I guess everybody has been waiting for maybe maybe it will end soon, it will not affect India, when summers will be here, corona will be gone. So we heard each and every assumptions whatsoever, that if you eat a lot of spicy food, corona will not hit us, because we eat so much spicy food. If you booze a lot, corona will not hit you. So all kind of assumptions came in between. But nevertheless we are still in the same place, and we were thinking that things will go back to the normal, and we will just be back to the normal as if nothing has happened. But unfortunately or fortunately, it is not going to be the same. And again, down the line 6 months, I can say that it will remain the same status as it is today. but obviously things will be getting improved, but we have to find ourselves how we can change our attitude, change our schedule, change our routines to adjust in the new normals, so that we are not lagged behind, we are not complaining or depressed about the current situation, but we find a solution to move forward, way forward, right? So today we will just see around few things. uh, we will just see few things where what all people are already doing in terms of taking this as a positive thing, what all people have, what positivity people have seen around this COVID virus, and how they are thriving in this pandemic. Not everyone is, depressed. Not everyone is sad about it, but they are finding excuses, finding solutions, finding ways to keep themselves happy and occupied, right? So we can just start with those points where we can start how people are spending time, and how what people are doing in order to make it a positive time and once in a lifetime opportunity, where you are spending a lot of time with your family. You have ample time in your hand to do whatever you want to do, with no one even asking you to keep your phone down, because then you have an excuse, either a class is going on or a tuition is going on. So the screen time can be haywired also. So many things are there how people are doing it, so we will take one by one on that. And the first point, what I feel is that this is the time where families are able to spend a lot of time together. Mostly in a nuclear family, parents are working and kids are left behind. Either they are into a day boarding, or they come back to school to maids or things like that. But now with this lockdown period, we have experienced that both the parents are at home, they are able to spend time with their families, they are able to spend times with the kids, small kids who didn't even started the school, or who have started the school and were thinking like, okay, now the parents are gone and I'm also gone to school and will not be meeting each other. So they have got a new way to interact with parents are happy spending time with them. And moreover, the elders in our house, the grandparents, are very happy because now they have the affection and care of both the kids and the grandkids. So this is something where obviously we are a lot of time we are spending. We have got this boon, I can say, because India, what I feel, we have followed everything from the West, but we have not followed their lifestyle. In West, in US, in Europe, you can see any office, they are working 9 to 5 or 8 to 5, 8 to 4. They are off on weekends, they will not take your phones, they will not do any work, but they will spend time with families, apart from winter and summer vacations what they are already getting. But in India, we are like 24/7 we are busy with the office, thanks to the technology now. Emails are on the phones, and WhatsApp is also there, and if the boss says that presentation has to go today, tonight, that's okay. It will be sent. Or during the weekend, there is nothing like we can do to say to them that no, I will not work on the weekend, because that is not our culture. But we have adopted a foreign culture, but we have not adopted it fully. So the things what is happening is that we are 24/7 engrossed in our office, in our work. Even if we are with our family, we are having a dinner somewhere, and then again we are just typing on that phone, okay, one email or one instruction I should give, and then I'm back on the table and things like that. But with corona, thankfully, initially nobody knew what to do. Everything was lost. People even didn't knew, offices didn't knew how to take it further, how to do work from home, how to manage things. So initially we got a lot of time in our hand, where we were able to spend quality time with the people. I'm sure you must have seen all kind of cuisines on your Facebook, where people have tried their hands, I don't know how, but they have tried their hands on cooking various things. And also what happened that everyone was very happy initially, but not now. I know that, because and especially for you as a youth, where you want to be as far as from home as possible. You are stuck here, and with your parents, with your siblings, and even if you want to do or not, you have to do cleaning, dusting, or whatever your mom says, because there is no way out. Nobody is calling you out to, nobody is calling you out. Nobody is asking you to, you have to go to somewhere to, combine studies. You don't have to go to some parties. So you are at home stuck and feeling miserable. But this is what I want to emphasize upon, that this time will never come back again. This is the time which will be your best memories of life if you want to make it. It's all about, how you want to take it in your stride. It's all said, and you all are so educated and you know everything, that wherever हम कहीं बुरा देखेंगे तो बुरा ही दिखता है, अच्छा देखेंगे तो अच्छा दिखेगा, right? So if we make it a plan, we try to fix it, we try to make it somehow possible that we are able to spend quality time with family, then definitely this time will become the best time of your lives. And how will it be possible? It will be possible, it can be possible in many ways. I'm not saying that you just always keep on sitting with your parents, you always keep on talking to your siblings only, or you spend time with your dadi or nani or grandparents or anybody. But at least you can, at least you can form a schedule there. And with a schedule, you have that time with the parents also, you have time for yourself also, and you have time for friends also. So it's not uh, see, this time has specially given a lot of work to women of the family, where maybe she's a homemaker, maybe she's a employed person, or her or an entrepreneur, or whatever she is. At the end of the day, she has to manage the house also. And now with the work from home culture, it is both. What we are doing, we are doing work from home and work for home. We are doing both. So what is happening, that woman is totally confined either to office, then kitchen, then all cleaning and everything, because maids were not allowed earlier. But but what happened, if the family is not you know helping her out in some way or the other, definitely the frustration will increase in the family, the friction will increase in the family. Everybody today wants to have an independent life, an individuality, an identity of themselves. Be it you, be it your mom, be it your father, be it your chota bhai behan, whatever. Everybody wants to have their own identity, and they do not want to compromise on that. And especially when women are confined to only household work, then top of that they are doing office work, and the rest of the family is sitting and enjoying over the phone, or just enjoying tea time snacks, and okay mama, sham ko na we will have choco lava cake, वो घर पे बनाएंगे हम लोग. Okay, okay, yes, yes. जब choco lava cake बनाने का time आया, so what happens, everybody is busy on phone, mother is cooking the choco lava cake. जब बन के आ गया, everybody is again together. So that is not the idea of spending time together. Spending time means you have to be together in everything. अगर खाना भी बन रहा है तो make your contribute yourself, how you can help there. अगर cleaning हो रही है, whatever is happening, you have to be involved. And if you are involved, and definitely if you are contributing, it will not look like a course anymore, it will not look like work anymore, it will be enjoyable. And you can finish it in minutes, in lesser time as compared to jitna unko pehle time lag raha tha. And then you can all can relax and play around and spend time together, right? So that is the actual meaning of spending time together. It's not only about talking कि खाना खाने की टेबल पे we are spending time together, and then we go back to our rooms and let her do whatever she is doing. That is not the idea of spending time together. Spending time means where you can distribute the roles, distribute the idea. Maybe father is cooking one day, maybe you are cooking one day, maybe your younger one is cooking one day without cooking without fire, they are making something or the other, you know. That kind of stuff kids have been learning in the school right now. So these kind of things um, you have to contribute, you have to see how it goes, and definitely then only you will be able to create a bonding among yourselves. And then when the lockdown is over, you will not be waiting for lockdown to be over, you will be waiting for this time to extend, you know, so that you can just have a good chat, heart to heart talk with your dad, heart to heart talks with your mom, with your with your you know, siblings, with your dadi. You can hear her stories, her experience, and that is all will be your foundation for life. This time what you will spend with your family will be the foundation for you all for your life. Because I know that at this age where you are bound to leave the home or go abroad, or maybe because of studies, because of, you know, your jobs or anything or the other, maybe in this town, maybe in some other town, maybe in some other country. But the foundation which you will make today will go lifelong with you, right? So this is something which you should also broad upon and think over how you can. Ab achanak se don't go today and tell mummy I will help you. Oh, she will just touch your forehead and see tabiyat nahi kharab hai aaj aapki, you know. So don't take it as a task, but do wholeheartedly, right? So do as your heart wish. jahan pe aap, I'm not saying that everybody has to do a household course. मे बी कहीं टाइपिंग में जरूरत है आपके फादर को, यू नो, तो यू कैन हेल्प हिम टाइप द डॉक्यूमेंट और डू समथिंग, मेक देम यूज टेक्नोलॉजी और वट एवर. So that is something where you can help or contribute. It's totally up to you whether you want to or not, but I recommend surely that you should, right? So coming to the next point, uh, so I guess this is the time where everyone has tried on one or the other skill or hobby right now, you know. Everyone has managed to learn a new skill, and if you have not, then definitely you are wasting your time, because more or less every time we complain that we don't have time for any passion or hobby to follow, right? Every time we tell somebody ki exercise kar le, टाइम कहाँ है, सुबह से तो हम कॉलेज चले जाते हैं, you know, we don't have time to do exercise. If we tell you know, learn guitar, time नहीं है मेरे पास. If you are very good at art, I will tell you कि हाँ sketching classes join करा दूँ. मम्मा टाइम कहाँ है अभी आपके मेरे पास, right? So you don't have time for anything, and it is not only you, it is everyone. Me as a parent, we don't have time. Any other or a senior parent, even your parents, they will not have time for anything. Passion बहुत होता है, बहुत सारी चीजें करने का passion होता है. When we are young, we have all kind of passion to follow. But what happens with time, with responsibilities, life happens and passion goes haywire. हम बनना चाहते थे, you know, कुछ रोज हम बचपन में बना रहे होते थे क्या, robots, and then we suddenly take a field of medical, you know. So that happens with life. हम जो सोचते हैं, हम जो passion होता है, we are not able to follow that passion always. But definitely this is the time where we can at least have a touch base with our passions once again. We can see what we are lacking in our lives. क्योंकि what happens, अभी तो आप लोग young हो, you are still studying, or maybe pursuing a career or something like that. You have more or less a lot of life in front of you where you can decide what to do. But gradually, when you are stuck in something, then start happening when you are stuck, when you start a job or something, धीरे धीरे पैशन साइड होता चला जाके कब खत्म हो गया मैं पता ही नहीं चला, and we are just into the rat race. We are just going to office और in a business startup में लग गए, किसी चीज में लग गए, और हमने अपना जो पैशन था, जो लाइकिंग्स थी, वो हमने बहुत पीछे छोड़ दी, right? So so this is what happens almost every time. So but this is the time where we can definitely try to build in our passions. और पैशन जब एक बार बनना, जब आप उस पर वर्क करना शुरू कर देते हो, you start loving it altogether, because that is something which you already loved initially, right? And what happens, who knows, that maybe someday that passion becomes your main occupation gradually. You start with something with your passion. किसी को maybe art and crafts का बहुत शौक है. They start making some beautiful wall decors or something like that, and you just start earning a side hustle with that, and then it becomes your main occupation, main business altogether, right? So I would always suggest कि passion होना life में बहुत जरूरी, because without passion you feel dead almost sometimes, क्योंकि कुछ है ही नहीं आपकी लाइफ में. where will you go for respite? Where will you go for respite? If you don't have a passion, you don't have a hobby to follow, where will you go for respite? किसी को singing पसंद है, किसी को dancing पसंद है, किसी को कुछ भी नहीं पसंद है. तो जिसको कोई डिप्रेस्ड है, कोई परेशान है, म्यूजिक लगाएगा, he or she will feel relaxed, he or she feel happy, उसको पसंद आएगा, वो relax होगा, she will get out of depression. But जिसको कुछ भी पसंद नहीं है करना, वो क्या करेगा? He will go deep into that circle of depression and angry and frustration and everything, right? So passion or hobby is a respite for you. You should work on building up the passion. And आजकल तो Udemy वगैरह पे इतने courses हैं, which you can just pursue anything. Maybe you like photography, you pursue photography, then you see the next Instagram click you post, it will be your the likes will be bombarding like anything. So that is something where you can always take help from internet. You have the global school in front of you, and you know how to make the best use of it, especially you as youth. You all know how to make the best use of internet, as compared to us, or as compared to your parents, as compared to your kids and all those stuff, all those people. Definitely you know the best how to use the internet. And why not then use it for yourself? Why not use it to upgrade yourself? We should always think of upgrading ourselves, because once you stop learning, life stops happening. So learning should be and has to be a lifelong process. जो आदमी ये बोल देता है कि मुझे सब आता है, वहां पे उसका खत्म है लाइफ. Because then they cannot think beyond their thinking, beyond their experience. They cannot think beyond what other people's perspective are. उनको दूसरे का तजुर्बा, दूसरे की लाइकिंग, दूसरे की अंडरस्टैंडिंग दिखेगी ही नहीं. Because they are self-sufficient, they will think I know everything. Okay? So that is one thing where I always focus and always push also people, that people should indulge in hobbies. If you have not done till now, अभी भी time है, lockdown अभी आगे बढ़ना है. At least you have to be confined, not lockdown, but you have to be confined to your home. So definitely you can still start to pursue something. You can indulge on something right now. And so the next thing what I have found about what people are doing these days is self-development. So वो जो ट्रैक सूट रखा था हमने बहुत सालों से रखा है अपने पास में, finally we thought to take it out, the running shoes and everything जो हमने बड़े जोश में कभी खरीद लिया होता है, when we take a 1 year gold gym membership and go for one day. तो हमने खरीदा तो सारी किट होती है जिम वाली, but we never use it. Agree? And I think that this was the best time when people have utilized it like anything for their physical activities. People have indulged, people have shown that they can do something with their body, they can make it better. And आज की डेट में corona has proved it that nothing is more important than health. आज उसको कोरोना नहीं हो रहा है, उसको वायरस नहीं हिट कर रहा है, whose immune system is strong enough, whose body is strong enough, जिसको ये सर्दी जुकाम जल्दी नहीं होता है. They are free and they are free of corona. They will not be stuck by that, right? So this time has definitely proved that nothing else values more than your health. And अगर आज की डेट में आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी है, then you are the king of the world. And trust me, with experience, I'm saying that even if you build up an empire for you and you don't have your health with you, it is of no use. इट इज ऑफ नो यूज, यू कैन नॉट उसको आप किसी भी तरीके से उसको आप वो कर ही नहीं सकते एंजॉय जो आप वेल्थ कमाओगे. एंड आज की डेट में आई हैव सीन स्पेशली व्हाई एवरीबॉडी इज आफ्टर फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, बिकॉज फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज से एंडोफिन सिक्रीट होता है. आप जब रनिंग करते हो सब करते हो, सो दिस हार्मोन इज मूड एलिवेटर. आपको जो है अच्छा फील होता है, यू feel nice, you feel high, you feel energetic, and definitely it helps you to uh, live life more happily. You are able to you are able to uh, what I'm saying, you are that you are able to uh, remain away from depression, right? And also apart from this, people have gone deep dived into their own self as well. एक्सरसाइजेस तो है जो है जरूरी है ऑब्वियसली, बट उसके साथ में पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग द importance of meditation, the importance of yoga, the importance of self development. And nevertheless this time has seen the increase in people who are related to mental health, people who are related to life coaching or mindset aspects, because people are ready to invest in these things. Earlier हमारे साथ ये होता था कि whenever we want to talk about something on mental health or something like that, people used to say हाँ जब problem होगी I will come to you, that kind of thing was there. But now people have realized and taken initiative, that people have taken initiative that they want to have a lifestyle shift altogether. They want to change their perception, they want to have a lifestyle shift, they want to more and more indulge in their selves, they want to invest in their selves, so that आगे कभी भी ऐसा कोई भी समय आता है, they are well prepared. You have seen कोरोना के जो बैड इफेक्ट्स हैं उसकी वजह से people have taken drastic steps such as suicide, कोई डिप्रेशन में चला गया, कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई, कोई लड़ाई झगड़े भी हुए हैं, domestic violence has have increased a lot, and all that kind of thing has happened. But then again people here are again and again wanting to invest in themselves so that they are well prepared for life, right? So and going to the next point, we have so definitely what the next slide is saying definitely is good relationship starts with strong communication. And I truly believe in communication, whether or not it's for a relationship or not, but the communication is the most important thing. चाहे वो आपके पेरेंट्स हो, आपके भाई बहन हो, आपके फ्रेंड्स हो, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हो, आपके रिलेटिव्स हो, एवरीवेयर कम्युनिकेशन इज द की. आप नाराज भी हैं किसी से, तो जब तक आप उसको जाहिर नहीं करेंगे दूसरे को पता कैसे चलेगा कि आप नाराज हैं. नोबडी इज कैन रीड योर माइंड और योर हार्ट. तो दे हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट हैपेंड, कैसे क्यों आप नाराज हो, व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू, किस लिए भाई लड़ाई झगड़ा हुआ, क्या हुआ, किस लिए नाराज हो गए. तो एटलीस्ट कम्युनिकेट. And with this I truly want to focus upon that corona has definitely made us realize that life has no lifetime duration. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं किसी से और कल पता चला कि उसका कोरोना की वजह से या किसी भी वजह से ही इज नो मोर और शी इज नो मोर, और हम सोच रहे होते हैं कि अरे अगले हफ्ते फोन कर लेंगे उनको, राइट? So many a times we are so engrossed in our life, in our daily rut, in our daily lifestyle, that हम भूल ही जाते हैं कि बहुत ही करीब रिश्तेदार होते हैं, बहुत करीबी दोस्त होते हैं, but they are not meeting you day to day. But then again you are thinking कि हाँ मैं कॉल करूंगा या कॉल करूंगी उनको. But what happens someday when you get time, they are no more to listen to you. So, and the same is happening with all elders or all parents who are away from their kids. बच्चे अपनी लाइफ में, अपनी जॉब्स में इतना बिजी हैं, अपने स्कूल्स में, कॉलेजेस में, और मे बी एट एन elder age अपनी jobs में, अपनी family में, कि they have forgotten to talk to their parents, they have forgotten to talk to their mothers, their fathers daily, कि आज क्या हुआ और whatever, just to make them involved in their own life. They want कि हाँ ठीक है, week में एक बार मम्मी से बात हो जाएगी, ठीक रहेगा. But this is not the case. You have to build upon your communication with your family and friends and parents. Without that, definitely it will not, it will be someday it will be too late and you will realize that अगर मैंने पहले बात कर ली होती. Even if you are holding any grudge, please don't hold any grudge for anybody in your mind or heart, because at the end of the day grudge will only be disturbing you, right? So grudge will only be disturbing you and telling you that who will be affected by the grudge? Only you. क्योंकि दूसरे को तो आपने बताया नहीं है कि जो है ग्रज है, और उसको तो कुछ पता भी नहीं है कि आप उससे नाराज हैं, और क्या होता है बाद में, यू आर नॉट एबल टू इवन टेल देम कि मेरे को ऐसा कोई ग्रज था, मुझे कोई ऐसी तुमसे शिकायत थी, कुछ था, एंड दे हैव लॉन्ग गॉन, राइट? और वो ग्रज क्या रह जाता है, बैक एंड में क्या रह जाता है, सिर्फ आपको परेशान करने के लिए रह जाता है. तो ऑलवेज इट्स बेटर, चाहे छोटी सी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो चाहे बड़ी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो, प्लीज ऑलवेज try to build up that grudge. Do not pay attention to anything like that, right? And then the second point is, so definitely corona has told us one thing more that is very important, is that simplicity and basics, like going on focusing on the roots, is one thing which definitely we have learned to understand right now. Earlier what was happening, the the most problematic situation was that breakfast के time पे butter खत्म हो गया, and that was an emergency chaos, right? But in this pandemic and everything, what has happened, that we have managed without these things, without frills and everything, we have managed with basic necessities in our life. We have managed with basic food supply, basic vegetables and everything. We have managed without parties. We have managed without going out. We have managed on everything, right? And people are just clinging on the authenticity right now, right from the authentic sanitizer to authentic relationship. Everything is based on authenticity and simplicity. आज की डेट में आपके साथ में कौन खड़ा है, that is the only thing you are looking at. कौन सी चीज आपको सबसे ज्यादा सेफ रख रहा है, that is the only focus and requirement for you right now. Sanitizer, mask, gloves, right? And similarly, कौन से friends आपके साथ इस दौर में खड़े हुए हैं, they are the ones who will be going in long term with you. So this is where we have to understand what are our roots, how simplicity is also important, how authenticity is very important, and how we can live our lives without any tantrums, without any drama, right? So that is what we have learned from corona right now. And apart from this, we have also seen that corona has also helped us to make world a better place to live. आपको याद होगा लास्ट दिवाली पे दिल्ली was not able to burn a single cracker because of such a bad pollution level of air quality. And आज की डेट में the air quality is so pure, and things have drastically healed in terms of, if we talk about environment, if we talk about plants, trees, animals have healed, jungles have healed, so definitely this is one of the positive aspect. And on top of it, we have able to save on a lot of natural resources, like fuel हमारा कम यूज हुआ, 2-3 महीने गाड़ी नहीं चली भी तो एक ही गाड़ी चली. तो we have been able to survive on single item with limited petrol, So this is our natural resources which we have been wasting a lot, but in this time definitely we have been able to save that as well. So now I know that बहुतों ने कर लिया है, बहुत लोग पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट देख रहे हैं, बट इट्स इजी सेड देन डन, राइट? सो कहने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड यू विल ऑल्सो थिंक कि हाँ ऑब्वियसली ये तो मैं भी कर रही हूँ, मैंने भी किया है या कुछ ऐसा, बट definitely it is not always the case with everyone who is feeling, who is feeling happy about lockdown, who is feeling positive about the lockdown. Definitely there are many people who are still thinking कि when we will go back to normal, या कब ये खत्म होगा, कब हम कैसे क्या करेंगे. So we are just coming up with some few small tips and tricks wherein we can just talk about what all we can do as while sitting at home, and uh, you know uh, uh, take it further, right? So I have listed down few points here ki how we can lead a positive life, and definitely we have already discussed that communication is the key, but here communication also means that we are able to stand for each other, we are able to take hold of each other and talk about daily with our friends, with our family. We sit down together and communicate, right? Now we have around 1,000 friends on FB, and maybe 1,500 on Instagram, every one of you, not me, I'm talking about you. So you must be having such a huge number of friends on Insta and FB. But tell me or review yourself that how many people are actually concerned about your well-being in Corona in this time, right? So this time has definitely showed us how we can and who are our true friends, how we can differentiate between our real friends and our virtual friends, who are our friends for life. And if you have identified, you are lucky enough to have few of them, definitely you should stand with them in all the moments of their life, right? You have to be, you can talk to them, you have to communicate with them in every way possible, and not only talk, you have to be a good listener as well. You have to you have to be there for to listen also. ये नहीं कि हर बार जाके मैंने अपनी तो सारा उगल दिया, आज पता है ये हुआ, मम्मी ने मुझे इतना डांटा, पापा ने ऐसे बोल दिया, ये हो गया वो हो गया, ओके बाय. नो, बट ही हैज टू टेल समथिंग टू यू आल्सो, तो वो भी लिसन करना जरूरी है, व्हाट ही और शी हैज टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट, उन्होंने क्या फेस किया, उनका दिन कैसा गया. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस टू टॉक अबाउट, राइट? And when you have found these kind of friends, you have to be standing for them no matter what. Stand together and stand strong for them, right? So lockdown has also made you confined to your homes, and all those weekend parties have taken a toss right now. But definitely I think many apps are also coming with the online party thing, and you all are so smart, you can create yourself. So don't let the lockdown stop you from having fun. Create the mood, create your own room, decorate your room, bring all the snacks and everything, put on loud music and just have an online party, right? And obviously tell your parents not to disturb, you're having a party so that they don't have a shock when they enter your room right? So that is one thing where I want to insist that it's party is just one thing, but definitely lockdown doesn't mean that you have to be confined and not to talk to anyone. It's talking to anyone is not restricted, going out is not restricted until and unless you are well covered, you are maintaining social distance, you're carrying a sanitizer, you are keeping yourself safe, you can go out as well. So it's not about कि अरे यार अब तो लॉकडाउन हो गया, मैं घर पे ही बैठना, मम्मी जाए नहीं दे रही, that's okay, but then you can have it something in house also. So focus on how and implementing or discovering new ways how you can be be the best, and and spend time together online, right? So now coming to be accountable for the goals that you have set. It means that normally हमने लॉकडाउन शुरू होते ही अच्छा अब 1 महीना तो बंद ही है, अभी कॉलेज तो 2 महीने बंद रहेगा, 2 महीने में देखना मैं 0 फिगर ले आऊंगी अपनी, देखना तू, ठीक है, मैंने तो वर्कआउट शुरू कर देना, मेरे 8 पैक्स आ जाएंगे 2 मंथ्स में. बट व्हाट हैपेंस, दिस इज ऑल यू हैव टोल्ड टू योरसेल्फ ओनली. सो क्या होता है, कल से उठ जाऊंगी, मंडे से हो जाएगा, यू नो वो मंडे कभी नहीं आता, वो फर्स्ट ऑफ एवरी मंथ, और वो मंडे कभी नहीं आता है, राइट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस दैट इफ यू हैव अ ग्रुप और यू हैव अ बडी जिसको आप बता सको अपने गोल्स के बारे में, देन एवरीबडी इज अकाउंटेबल, यू आर अकाउंटेबल, क्योंकि आपने डिक्लेयर कर दिया है कि मैं तो 2 महीने में पतली होके दिखाऊंगी. एंड नाउ यू हैव डिक्लेयर्ड, सो नाउ एवरीबॉडी विल बी पुलिंग योर लेग्स. भाई क्या हुआ तेरी एक्सरसाइज का, तू तो आज फिर फ्रेंच फ्राइज खा रही है बैठ के, राइट. So that accountability comes itself, and your goals are more or less met when you are able to discuss your goals or challenge other people also in your goals, and make it a common goal. And आपस में बात करके, आपस में चीजें करके, you take it forward from there. So this is one thing which definitely I think people should be accountable for. Add a new companion in your life is not going for and asking for a next person to be your girlfriend or a boyfriend. No, please, I'm not advising you for that. It's about making new friends, and moreover maybe you adopt a new pet or something where you feel responsible for that life, right. So adopting a pet is very important, and it is a very very good stress buster. Having a pet is a very good stress buster. आप उसके साथ खेल सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर चिल्ला सकते हैं, उसके ऊपर गुस्सा कर सकते हैं, उसको प्यार कर सकते हैं, and they will not break up with you. Okay, so that is a very easy way to burst your stress. And definitely when you have responsibility about something, you feel responsible, for that life, then you find the meaning of your life also. You cannot afford to sit depressed and don't give food to your pet, and he is hungry and he is howling at you, but you are depressed. No, it doesn't happen that way. Your mother will not do that way. If even if she is so much ill, she will just still also stand up and cook for you, or at least ask you to get a Zomato nowadays. But definitely she will not leave you hungry or something like that. Similarly, the same responsibility comes into ourselves when we have a pet or some life to take care of, right. So that is why we insist on having a pet or adding a new companion. Make elders tech savvy and make elders tech savvy. So what does it means? Like, you must have all faced this issue when your mother must have told you कि भाई ये WhatsApp में जरा ये कैसे करते हैं जरा बता दो, and you would have said मम्मी अभी टाइम नहीं है, शाम को बताऊंगा मैं आके रात में, and वो रात कभी नहीं आती है. तो what happens, we feel annoyed, we feel frustrated. अगर हम किसी को भी, अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स कुछ भी पूछते हैं and we are in a hurry or something, we feel frustrated और उनसे irritated हो जाते हैं कि अरे भाई अभी क्या जरूरत है आपको WhatsApp समझने की इतनी ज्यादा, आपको Facebook का समझने का क्या मतलब है, अभी मैं बता दूंगा ना आपको जब आपको जरूरत होगी, that kind of thing. But what happens, this is the best time to make them tech savvy in the simplest way that you use it. Don't make it cumbersome for them. Make it as simple as possible for them to understand the technology, to understand how to do video calls, to understand how to do online billings, online shopping, iMobiles, like bank apps and all that, banking apps and everything. Why? Because you all will be destined to new places sooner or later. और वहां पे जब आप जा करके वीडियो कॉल कर रहे होगे और आपकी मदर तुरंत फोन उठा लेगी विदाउट थिंकिंग कि इसको कैसे ऑपरेट करना, यू विल बी द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु विल बी मोस्ट हैप्पी कि चलो मैंने ट्रेन कर दिया था मम्मी को अपने, राइट. So utilize this time, be yourself technology savvy, and of course make your whole family tech savvy, so that it becomes a smooth flow with you, with communicating with you, और एनी अदर रिलेटिव, बाहर भी अंदर भी अब आजकल सब ऑनलाइन हो गया है. पीपल आर नॉट विलिंग टू गो आउटसाइड, स्टेप आउटसाइड. एंड डेफिनेटली आगे चलकर भी अगर हमारा कोरोना बहुत ज्यादा खत्म भी हो जाता है, तब तक ये एक वे ऑफ लाइफ बन चुका होगा कि चलो यार वो Amazon पेंट्री से ऑर्डर कर दो, बाहर कौन जाएगा, या ग्रोफर्स से कर दो, राइट? सो make it a habit, make them use it in flow, so that आप जब नहीं हो घर पे, जब आप बाहर जा रहे हो या कहीं आप नहीं हो, उनसे दूर हो, then also they are able to utilize that technology, right? So I guess that's all what we have to talk about, and I have taken a lot of time of yours. So we are open to question and answers, and anybody can unmute themselves and let us know. Any questions anybody has?
If anyone has any questions, please raise your hand so that the host can unmute you.
Yeah, so I think we got one question in the chat box.
Yes.
I think I have missed. What is the role of NLP in leading positive lives? Okay, so NLP, if you know, or if you don't know, then also I will tell you. NLP is neuro-linguistic programming, and neuro-linguistic programming means study of the language of brain. And NLP has a very pivotal role in leading a positive life, because NLP help you to change your perspective towards life. We cannot see, nobody can guarantee you that you will not have any problems in your life. Even your panditjis or nobody, even your parents cannot guarantee. Maybe they give you a full platter, on a silver platter, full-fledged on a silver platter, then also they cannot guarantee that you can have you will not have any issues in your life. But NLP helps you to change your perspective towards those problems. And with the invent of neuroplasticity now, it has become very easy to change your habits, to change your weaknesses into your strengths now. So NLP helps you to rewire your brain, rewire your thinking patterns, rewire your thought processes. And it helps you to have a different outlook towards, life, towards problems, towards situation, towards your past. And today NLP is being used in almost every area of life, be it corporate, be it schools, be it in advertisements and everything. NLP is being used because what is happening, we are able to create understand the audience, understand the client in front of us. So in corporate, it is helping that way. We are able to understand that that kind of things, and help each other, right? So anything else?
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, first of all, thank you for such an amazing session.
Okay.
Ma'am, I'm Mehul Bansal.
Okay, yeah. Hi, Mehul. Yeah.
Ma'am, I had a doubt that this period has given a lot of time to think about ourselves.
Yes.
But ma'am, this thinking has actually made me a lot more confused about myself than being aware about myself. So how to deal with that?
See, Mehul, it all depends upon what kind of thinking pattern you are choosing for yourself, right? Thinking has to be in a right direction, and then only it yields a good result. Self introspection does not mean that you start thinking all the negatives of your life, or start confusing yourself. So thinking has to, like a like a agenda, like something, you have to have a thinking also that way, that what exactly you are thinking about and what is the purpose of that thinking, right? So suppose you are in a college and you are aspiring for some professional courses further, and you are thinking about that too much right now, and it is happening that मैं management लूं या मैं radio jockey बन जाऊं या whatever is going in your mind. Maybe you are thinking about that, but then I would always suggest to follow your heart rather than mind when you are thinking. Don't be confused. You don't have to negate yourself, self-sabotage yourself so much. Everybody has a uniqueness of their own, and you need not go for any kind of any kind of confusion here, right? So whenever you are thinking about whatever you are thinking, if it is about your past, then I would strongly recommend to just come out of it. There is no way you can bring back your past, and there is no way you can deal with your future. It is the best time to be in the present and think how to make the best this time best possible time, best time of your life.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, actually,
Okay.
I have a further doubt from this. Ma'am, actually, I am actually deciding upon my career path. So
Okay.
I have just finished school.
Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, so actually, my heart is somewhere else and my mind saying something else. So, ma'am, there is a conflict between them and causing unrest.
So Mehul, I would always suggest that follow your heart, because if you obviously you have to see the practical aspects of what exactly you are thinking about in terms of career. But I have seen cases where people have unwillingly gone into any career or anything like that, and then they have failed to perform their best there, right? So if your maybe parents are telling you to join engineering or something like that, and your heart is not there, then you have to make them understand then that it will not help you in the longer run. You will not be able to perform your best. You will not be give your 100% in this stream where your mind is trying to force you to take into, right? So just evaluate all your options and see 5 years down the line what will best suit you, and then take your decision.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, Mehul. Thank you. Take care.
Do we have any further questions?
Hello,
Hi.
hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. This side Shivangi from
Yeah.
RAC OBS only.
Yeah. Hi,
Ma'am,
Shivangi.
it has been such an interactive session, and I just want to ask you that there is some time in our life as we are at our homes, and at sometimes we feel and get frustrated of the same routine and followed by the same
Right.
stuff.
Right.
So at somehow our mind got stuck somewhere, and the negative thoughts like can't go away. So what you suggest to always be positive, and what you recommend, like?
First of all, Shivangi, being at home does not mean that you go with the flow of the all home activities. You should practice your own schedule, as in you were going to college or office, whatever schedule you were following. Try to fix on that schedule. Try to keep that schedule. Maybe you are not spending that much time in studies. Like suppose earlier you were at like 8 to 12, you were in college, like in the morning, but now maybe you decide to indulge only 10 to 12 for your studies. But then first of all, make a proper schedule for yourself wherein you are not disturbed with anything going around in your house, because definitely sometimes it becomes very much chaotic and too much to take on what is happening around, and we cannot just go out, or we cannot just leave that behind. So one thing is that stick to a routine, follow a schedule, and don't let anything waver in that schedule for you, right? Second thing is please don't go for any please don't get affected by the outer world. Only thing how you can do it by controlling your mind. And the more earlier in your life you learn this trick to to control your mind and to not to react to other situations, the happier you will be, trust me. so only thing,
Agree.
yeah. So please don't let other people or other people's point of view or their chaos, their problems affect your life. Be it your parent also, that is okay.
धीरे बोलो, मैंने बोला ना शांति के साथ देखे दर्शन.
Everybody,
पर
you know,
मैम
everyone has their own.
I would request everyone to keep their mics on mute other than the host.
पढ़ने दो उसको.
Right. So everybody has, you know, their point of view. That is okay. But you have to decide what should affect you and what should not. Most of the times we become a part of other people's drama, other people's chaos, and we forget that it will not serve us in any possible way going forward, right? So that is something where you should always think about how you can, you know, take care of your inner well-being and focus on yourself rather than reacting to the situations.
Hi,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hi.
Rotaract Divyanshi this side.
Yeah, hi,
First of
Divyanshi.
all, thank you so much for coming and giving such a great session, such a great webinar.
Thank you so much, Divyanshi.
Ma'am, I had the same question as Shivangi as to how to deal with so much negativity that is coming in, and how to deal with negativity basically.
How do you stop unwanted people to enter your house?
Okay.
You just close the door. I know it is easier said than done. So we are bringing one workshop also for that reason, but definitely it is very important to close the doors which are affecting you. See, it is not always easy to you know, it's not always easy to remove that person from your life. Definitely you cannot remove everyone from your life, then you will be living alone, you know, because somehow something or the other of other person will be bothering you. Maybe it's your parents, maybe it's your bhai behen, maybe it's your friend, anybody. But the thing is that how it is affecting you, that you have to see whether reacting to this situation will help you, you know, going forward, will help you in your maybe 5 years down the line. Will it help you reacting to this situation? No, then count to 10 and just avoid from there. Go from there. Best way is to avoid that, right? Because no one has the right to hamper your well-being if you will not allow them. If you will allow them, definitely they will play around with you. If you will not allow them, they will not be able to play around. So, and as strong as you can make your, you know, this shield for yourself, the stronger will you be for the life. Yeah. So any other question?
I guess, ma'am, mostly we are covered here. If anyone has any other question, please raise your hand so that we can unmute you.
Okay, ma'am. Hi, this is Simran Thakkar this side.
Yeah, hi, Simran.
Hi, ma'am. I really liked your session, how you summarized everything in just an hour.
Thank
It
you
was
so much.
great hearing you. So my question is that many people are doing a lot of things these times, you know, they are free. And there's some people who don't want to do anything. They want to indulge in self-thought and introspection. While they see everybody doing something or the other, koi webinar karayega, koi, you know, they are doing a hobby and everything. So
Right.
how, you know, not feel insecure, because a lot of my friends have been feeling insecure कि यार ये तो बहुत कुछ कर रहे हैं, हम कुछ कर ही नहीं रहे. So like that, how to deal with that?
Yeah, so that's a nice question, Simran, but I will give you one example. There are two examples rather I would give you. You have a brother or sister, any sibling you have?
No, ma'am, I'm a single child.
No. Okay, then that example is void, null and void. Now, coming to the next example, you have 5 fingers in your hand. All are not same, right? And they all cannot do the same work also,
Right.
right? So this is the beauty of the kids. You do not, no one is alike, you know. Not two people, even your agar saga bhai behan bhi hai, you will not be alike to him or her. right? So every individual is unique, and every individual has been sent here to serve a life purpose, right? वो किसी एक प्लानिंग का हिस्सा है हम सब लोग, जिसकी वजह से हम यहाँ पर हैं. Okay, so don't be scared, don't be insecure कि कोई कुछ भी कर रहा है, कोई. It is always better to be, you know, वो कहते हैं ना, jack of all trades, master of none. तो जो लोग इतना ज्यादा फैला लेते हैं अपनी चीजों को, what happens at the end, they are not even able to do a single thing. Why? Because what happens, because आता तो सब कुछ है लेकिन मास्टरी किसी में नहीं है.
Right.
And you also know the competition is about mastery, nothing else. And आपकी मास्टरी चाहे जिसमें भी हो, it's not that you have to be only, you know, well playing the piano, then only you are a master. या फिर आपका dancing बिल्कुल perfect हो तभी आप master हो. No. आप लिखते अच्छा हो, you are a master. आप drawing अच्छी करते हो, you are a master. You know, you are able to express your thoughts so nicely, you are a master.
Right.
You are a good listener, you are a master. So mastery can be in anything. Please don't be insecure, क्योंकि आजकल होता ये है कि समर वेकेशन होते ही समर क्लासेस है, राइट? और समर कैंप हो जाता है, फिर हम बच्चों को बहुत सारी एकेडमीज में डाल देते हैं कि बेटा क्रिकेट भी खेल ले, लेकिन बेटा गिटार भी बजा ले. वो बिल्कुल उसको वो क्या बोलते हैं, शाहरुख खान बनाना चाहते हैं. यू नो कि मतलब सब कुछ आना चाहिए आजकल बच्चों को, like helicopter, right? But what happens that kids get so you know, tired of these routines that they मतलब अब उनका बचपना अगर मैं बोलूं तो खत्म ही हो जाता है ऐसे में. You know, you all have grown up, but I have seen, like, my kids are there, but I have never sent them to any academy or anything during summer vacations. क्योंकि मेरा एक फंडा रहता था, भाई समर वेकेशन है, तू सो आराम से, जितना सोना है, you sleep or you go to your grandparents' place, enjoy there whatever you want to do. But I never put it into them in any summer camp or things like that, because that is their time, their me time, you know, me time. अब अगर ये लॉकडाउन इज अ मी टाइम फॉर यू, अब अगर इसमें भी हमको सोचना पड़े कि नहीं तुम ना ये भी कर लो, वो ऑनलाइन कोर्स कर लो, ये भी कर लो, वैसे कर लो, ऑनलाइन एकेडमी ज्वाइन कर लो, क्या हो गया तुम बाहर बास्केटबॉल खेलने नहीं जा सकते हो, देखो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हो रहे बेटा, तुम वो ज्वाइन कर लो. नो, let it be. Whatever you want to do, just do, but do from your heart. Don't get into any pressure of doing anything. Don't you know, take pressure of peers. Do not go into that zone.
So follow your heart.
क्या होता है, एक बार आप जब फॉल करना शुरू कर जाते हो ना कि अच्छा इसने ये कर लिया, आप लोग सब अलग अलग टेंजेंट पे हो, राइट? योर पेरेंट्स आर समथिंग एल्स, दे मे बी योर फ्रेंड, उसके पेरेंट्स कुछ और हैं, उनका कोई अलग लाइफस्टाइल है, आपका कुछ अलग लाइफस्टाइल है. आपके यहाँ सब लोग 8 बजे सो जाते हैं, उनके यहाँ 12 बजे तक पार्टी चलती है, राइट? अब how can you take a 9 p.m. class when everybody sleeps at 8 o'clock, right? अब वो she can take a midnight class also, क्योंकि उसके पास तो भी 3 घंटे और है जगने के लिए, ठीक है? तो everybody has a different routine, everybody has a different story, so don't fall for it. आप एक दिन करोगे अच्छा वो ज्वाइन कर रही मैं भी कर लूं, नेक्स्ट डे कुछ और करेगी मम्मा मैं ये भी कर लूं, you will fall into that circle and you will not be able to come out. So don't do anything to please others. Don't do anything to just for the sake of showing yourself as cool. That is okay. Very okay to be uncool. Very okay to be uncool, you know. So that doesn't matter कि आप कितना cool हो, कितना हैप हो, कितना आप अपने you know अपने group में adjust हो जाते हो. These all things don't matter at all, right?
Right. Thank you so much,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay.
You are a master in NLP coaching, and it was a great session. So thanks a lot.
Just trying to contribute as much as possible, Simran. So, any other questions?
Yeah, ma'am, Himanshi this side.
Hi, Himanshi.
Ma'am, I would like to say that मैंने पूरा session सुना, मतलब I have been like very low since morning and everything, पर आपका session सुन के मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा. You know, ऐसे like, you know, when you sit and talk to your mother and your mother is explaining everything to you, बिल्कुल वैसे वाली feel आई जैसा आप सब समझा रहे थे. So thank you for explaining everything so beautifully, ma'am.
Thank you.
मैम मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन था कि like just because we are in the house and everything gets so frustrating and everything, मैम despite of doing a lot of things to overcome it, कि हम अपनी हॉबीज में ज्यादा टाइम दे रहे हैं या हम कोई वेबिनार अटेंड करें, मैम फिर भी नहीं अगर हो पाता.
Are you into any physical activity? Exercise करते हो आप?
नहीं.
Exercise करो. Because when you start exercising, you will start releasing the whole negative energy will be drained out through your sweat. Okay? And don't let, like I told others also, don't let the outside world affect your zone. You have to create your own zone, right? तो उसको कोई इफेक्ट ना करे, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम ना आए. You have to make sure that you are able to not able, like you are not reacting to each and every situation. जहां जरूरत है वहां बोलो आप, बट जस्ट एक बार थॉट प्रोसेस लाना जरूरी है इस चीज में कि क्या रिएक्ट करना जरूरी है. डू आई हैव टू रिएक्ट, या इस रिएक्शन से किसका भला हो रहा है. अगर आप किसी के कुछ बोलने से आप नाराज होके बैठ गए तो वो तो बोल के खत्म हो गया, लेकिन आपने तो ना रिवर्ट किया ना कुछ बोला, आप नाराज हो. और ये गुस्सा अंदर अंदर बिल्डिंग होने लगता है. वो धीरे धीरे क्या होता है, एक के बाद एक दूसरा बिल्डिंग होता है, तीसरा बिल्डिंग होता है, वो फिर एक दिन सीधे बम फटता है, एटॉमिक बम. राइट? तो वो चीज ना हो, उससे बेटर है वी थिंक आवरसेल्व्स दैट वेदर इट विल हेल्प अस टू रिएक्ट और नॉट. राइट? तो वो थोड़ा सा इस पे ध्यान देना. एंड इंडल्ज इन सम एक्सरसाइज, इट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू टू take out this negative energy out of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Yes, Sahaj, any other question?
I hope we are through the question answer round, and
Yes.
if any other questions are left, please message me the questions and I'll forward them to ma'am, as
Surely,
we all
surely.
have a busy and a packed schedule, so we won't take anyone's more time. Ma'am
Okay.
has a little announcement to make. I guess, ma'am, you have a little announcement
Yes,
regarding some session to make.
yeah, because see, it is all very easy said and told here, and definitely you have been a very good audience and have been taking, I think there must be a few takeaways for you all. But I also know that कि ये सारा enthusiasm एक दो दिन pumped up रहता है, and then again you go back into your daily lifestyle and daily depression and negativity and things like that. So for that, to combat on those stress and maintain this positive outlook, positive mindset always, we are coming with a 2-day workshop on 8th and 9th of August, which is called From Lockdown to Knockdown. And it will be a 2 to 3 hour session each day on Saturday and Sunday, a Zoom session. It will be an interactive session which will have a lot of exercises, lot of hacks, life hacks, what you can do, what you cannot do, to have your own self development, and you can also learn how to manage stress, how to not to react to different kind of situations, and what all you can do to create and maintain that positive mindset. Okay, and in this, during this like after this workshop, I will be giving you a free personal session, which is a complimentary session which I will be giving for all those who will be registering with us. That will be a one-to-one session with me over a video call or a phone call, wherein you can ask as many questions you want. There is no time limit. My sessions are never time limited for any of my clients also, and it will be the same for you. I will be having a one-to-one session. You can have heart-to-heart talks with me on whatever is bugging you, whatever is affecting you right now, and we can together find a solution for that. You will also get a 2-week online support for post workshop for any kind of help you require in terms of you, if you are not able to follow any procedures or any activities or workouts which we have given you during the workshop. If you are not able to do anything like that, then you will get a 2-week online support and a free personal session along with the workshop. So we will be opening window for a limited period of time only, because I will not be having too many people there. because I want to keep it a good amount of number where I can give very good individual attention to each one of you. So whosoever wants to, join that workshop can approach us as soon as possible. You have seen our social handles and you can approach us on that, or also my, I think, phone number is there. You can, approach us directly, or maybe through Sahaj if you want, whatever suits you, you can do that. Right?
Thank you so
So,
much. Thank you so much,
yeah,
ma'am.
I would like to thanks once again, Sahaj. I want to thank you for this super nice audience which you have arranged for, and also for Kopal for giving so much time and effort and mind into this workshop, and to the complete Rotaract Club team members and the members of the club. And I hope I see you in the workshop very soon. And till then, you take care and stay safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and I would like to thank everyone for joining us and being such a nice audience. And I would like to thank ma'am for such an enlightening session. And we are hoping to work with you in future as well. So thank you so
Yes.
much for everyone to join us. And thank you so much, ma'am, for having us here and for this session. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I ask a question, please?
Yes. Yes. Harsha.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi.
I just wanted to ask that sometimes it's like हमें पता है कि हाँ गुस्सा नहीं करना, नेगेटिव नहीं बोलना, बट वो कंट्रोल नहीं हो पाता, फिर बाद में रियलाइज होता है कि यार मैंने क्यों बोल दिया उसे ऐसे, और बाद में बुरा फील होता है, तो उस चीज को कैसे मतलब ओवरकम किया जाए?
Apologize, Harsha. That is the easiest way. अगर आपने किसी पे गुस्सा किया है, I know in the moment of that time, nobody realizes कि हमने क्या बोल दिया, क्या नहीं बोल दिया, and after that हमें बहुत बुरा लगता है, क्योंकि जिस पे हम गुस्सा करते हैं बहुत बारी, और rather almost 99% of time that person is very close to you, जिस पे आपने गुस्सा किया होता है, and maybe he's an elder, she's an elder, or a younger one to you, or your friend or somebody, but after that phase is over, you are not feeling very good about it, just talk out, just talk to that person, tell them your point of view कि तुमने क्यों गुस्सा किया था, आपने क्यों गुस्सा किया, tell them their point of view, why it triggered, tell them why it triggered into such a mess, and उसके पहले हर्षा, I would also suggest कि वहां तक जाने से पहले आप खुद भी एक इंट्रोस्पेक्ट, उस पे एक रिव्यू करो कि why it triggered for you also, right? And don't talk when the person is again in a bad mood, because then it will again go for another round. So don't talk in that way, but just try to minimize the situation first, normalize it first, और फिर एक दिन आप थोड़ा सा जब दोनों अच्छे मूड में हो, then you tell them that उस दिन ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, I am sorry for that, but don't be only sorry, but you have to tell why you did this, right? तभी अगला पर्सन आपके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को समझेगा. अगर आप खाली सॉरी बोलोगे, what will happen, अगली बार फिर यही होगा, because they have not realized कि वो चीज ट्रिगर हुई क्यों थी इनिशियली, एट द स्टार्टिंग वो चीज ट्रिगर ही क्यों हुई, क्यों आपको इतना गुस्सा आया, वो चीज वो समझ ही नहीं पाएंगे, राइट? सो इसलिए फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट यू डेफिनेटली टेल देम दैट यू आर सॉरी, इफ यू आर सॉरी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एंड सेकेंडली खुद को ये भी बताना जरूरी है कि ये एंगर क्यों ट्रिगर हुआ, मुझे क्यों गुस्सा आया, आई नो आई शुड हैव नॉट बिहेव्ड इन सच एंड सच वे, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एंड दिस प्रॉब्लम आपने ऐसा कुछ बोला जो मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आया, दैट इज व्हाई इट ट्रिगर्ड, राइट? And after that you can after that you have to ensure that after this talking, this thing doesn't happen anymore, वो दोबारा से कभी ना हो आपके साथ में, राइट?
Thank you so much,
बिकॉज अगर
ma'am.
आप सेम चीज के लिए दोबारा एक बार सॉरी बोलोगे और दोबारा उसी चीज पे गुस्सा करोगे, देन उसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं रह जाती. वो आपने कहानी सुनी ना भेड़िया आया की, कि एक बार वो बोलता है बच्चा, गांव में भेड़िया आया, लोग जाते हैं उसकी मदद के लिए, तीसरी बार जाते, चौथी बार जाते, बट जब रियलिटी में आता नोबडी गोज देयर. तो आपके सॉरी की तभी वैल्यू है जब वो सॉरी के बाद वो रिपीट ना हो, राइट? अगर सॉरी बोल करके या अपोलोजाइज करके या उस सिचुएशन को रिव्यू करके आपने उसको मैटर सॉल्व कर लिया, बट देन अगेन यू गो बैक एंड डू द सेम थिंग, या वहां से भी सेम रिएक्शन आ रहा है, देन इट इज नॉट वर्थ सेइंग सॉरी एवरी टाइम.
बट मैम समटाइम्स लाइक वी जस्ट वांट टू इग्नोर, लाइक हम इग्नोर कर नहीं पा रहे थे, हमें पता है कि सामने वाले की गलती, बट स्टिल वी वांट कि छोड़ो यार नहीं बोलना, छोड़ो नहीं बोलना, बट स्टिल फिर वो बोल ही देते हैं हम लोग एट द एंड.
तो इग्नोर करना है तो यू हैव टू जस्ट गेट अप फ्रॉम देयर एंड गो, बिकॉज बाय द टाइम यू विल सिट देयर और उनके सामने रहोगे तो वो थोड़ा सा प्रोवोकिंग होता ही चला जाता है, राइट?
Yes.
So only way is either you know just remove yourself from there, या अगर हो चुका है then you have to review and apologize if you feel that you are also guilty. और अगर आप guilty नहीं हो और अगर उनकी भी कोई issue है, then also you have to tell them कि देखो तुमने ऐसा ऐसा किया था या ऐसा ऐसा हुआ था, that's why I felt this thing, anger.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a really beautiful session.
Thank you so much, Harsha. Thank you. Yes.
Hello,
so, yeah.
मैम मेरे को ये पूछना था कि कभी कभी जैसे हमारी लड़ाई हो जाती है किसी किसी से भी, तो उस टाइम पे जो थॉट्स आते हैं वो नेगेटिव ही थॉट्स आते हैं और वो थॉट्स आते ही चले जाते हैं, तो उसके लिए क्या करना चाहिए? लाइक
May I know your name?
मैम हर्षिता.
हर्षिता. हर्षिता, कोई भी रिलेशनशिप होता है that is on a very very बहुत ही नाजुक डोर से बंधा होता है, और जब आप किसी का भी किसी की तरफ भी आप नेगेटिव देखना एक बार शुरू कर देते हो तो वो चाहे जितना भी अच्छा कर ले आपको अच्छाई नहीं दिखेगी. इट्स लाइक द शेड्स यू वेयर इन द समर्स. सन ग्लासेस आप पहनते हो तो आपको टिंटेड ही दिखेगा हर चीज, राइट? इट्स लाइक द सेम वे. जैसे भी आप अपना, अगर आपने किसी की तरफ अपनी नेगेटिव एक बना ली है अप्रोच या धारणा बना ली है नेगेटिव, तो आपको वहां पर उस बंदे का हमेशा नेगेटिव ही दिखेगा, पॉजिटिव नहीं दिखेगा. So what you have to do is you have to drive yourself towards the positivity what that person has done for you, और जितनी भी अच्छी चीजें थी उनकी वो देखने की कोशिश करिए. It is not very easy, I understand, because जब सामने गलत चीज होती है तो गलत ही ज्यादा दिखती है, अच्छी कम दिखती है. बट ट्राई टू फिगर आउट कि ऐसा नहीं है कि किसी में, कोई भी बंदा ऐसा नहीं होता है कि उसमें केवल खराबियां ही हो, अच्छाइयां भी सब में होती है, लेकिन हमें खराब चीज ज्यादा अच्छी दिखती है, ज्यादा जल्दी दिखती है, राइट? आप अगर कोई भी आपका फिल्म स्टार है, कोई भी है, सलमान खान है, कोई भी है, वो गाड़ी चढ़ा दी उसने तो वो दिख जाता है, बट वो चैरिटी जो कर रहा होता वो नहीं दिख रहा होता, राइट? It's the same way. Whenever we are we are just focusing on the bad, we will only see the bad aspect. तो वो चीज थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस से आती है हर्षिता, and I would recommend, if you want, you can join our workshop and we will be working on these kind of things also there.
Okay ma'am, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you Harshita.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so
Okay.
much. It was
Yeah.
a great session, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
I guess we are through with the question answers now.
Yes, I think so too. Yeah, thank you so much. You have been a lovely audience, and Sahaj, all thanks to you for arranging everything so nicely, to Kopal and also to Ghazal for putting it all the efforts and helping me out in this workshop. Thank you all so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.
Everyone is free to leave the meeting. Thank you so much for joining.